In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram DMs or messages problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is so simple and easy. So please keep watching until the end. First step is go to the settings on your phone, as you can see right here, and then go to the apps option on your phone, and then go to apps again right here, and it will take you directly to this page. As you can see, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it like this, and then go to the storage option and click on it, then click on clear data option, and then click on clear cache. Now all what you have to do is go back, and this time go to the data usage option, click on it, and make sure to scroll down like this and enable the background data and roaming data like this. And then all what you have to do is click on force stop and restart your phone, then reopen Instagram, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.